May basta mo darating?
Yung sa mga darating na ano, sa referee, baka may chat kayo. Ay, mamaya, sige. Sige, para tayo hindi naantala.
Okay, game na.
Yeah. Midget pa naman to eh. Lolber.
Ay, sorry.
Pero buksan mo na ito isa. Para makakain ng mga merienda. Yung isa sa referee.
Ay, sige. Yung pa nilagay ng pangula.
Kain tayo. Tayo, sa umpisa lang muna naman yan. Pag tayo, alam na natin tayo, pupuwag pa ng
Reyes. Lead pass. To George number 4, 2 points. Panigero Reyes, side step, extra pass. De Jesus, gawin, pag-loreo ang bola. Pinapasa sa gilid. That is good. Dalangin, magkulit na bola. Binigay ka Reyes. Reyes side stepping off the glass is good. Reyes to Fidel Peppa. 2 points. Easy 2 points. Dan lagi pinigil-pigilan ng Webber. Good point. Ito na si Kusikat Tal. Lead pass. Dan lagi ang touchdown here.
Bitay mo pa kabila.
Is constructed ahead. Reyes once again. Reyes. 2 points. Super palasok, di obra, Reyes, good player is good. Iba tadi ang kaluluwa, Reyes, 2 points na. Easy 2 points. Lead pass to Reyes. Good for 2 by Miguel. Reyes once again with the steal. Reyes, 2 points. Setting up 3 for Reyes. Tobias Putra is good. It's still Reyes. Ayala. Luwewan. Putra is good. Reyes, 2 points para Reyes. May sumasang makakaan, 2 points na. Pamahaling, 2 points.
Bago ka po kulay, ano ba yung 5?
2 points.
Parang butak sa ensayo oh.
Off the glass is good. Nakakapa. Bumera sa glass. Punta ka naman ikaw is good. With board 2. Reyes to Reyes. 2 points.
Utol. Yung team lang nila, nakayo no. Kaya mo sila ano lagay mo kang team ha?
Reyes to Villanueva. Obias Sanres Rangel Obidal Roberto Glass is good. Second shot now.
Laki nung ano yun.
Larrazo of the Glass is good.